Okay, so this is the remote that goes with it. And so to start off with, you need to put batteries in, and then there's a button at the very bottom of the projector that you click to turn on. And so there's flash mode, which is basically just you go through all of them till you find one you like. Personally, I like that one. And then there is how you can dim it, make it brighter. Rotation. Without rotation, it just looks like this. And with rotation, it looks like that. Then this is for music. Turn off Bluetooth. Music. There's a bunch of music to choose from. Then you can turn that down. Then there's a timer that you can set the amount of time you want it on. There's Bluetooth mode, which you can play whatever music you want, or watch videos or something, and the audio will play on there.
As you can see, you're only going to get about half of the wall if it's up against a wall, and about half of the ceiling. It's still a very well-made product, but I would definitely recommend trying to put it somewhere in the center of the room, I think would be best. You have the buttons here, very simple. And on the back, it does need to be plugged in to stay working. It does have a TF card reader and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And as you can hear, I turned on one of the ambient noises. These buttons are also very sensitive as well.
Viene con su control. Así suena cuando lo encendemos. Puedes cambiarle de soniditos. Y se ve así. Si te preguntas si tiene esos puntitos verdes, no. Solo puedes bajar la intensidad. Cambias de color a verde, a morado, con azul, azul solo, se queda estático también, verde, rojo, blanco, todos los colores como en modo discoteca, modo flash. Se apaga ahí. Puedes ponerle temporizador, bajarle el volumen o su
Bluetooth mode. Music. You can see there's no rotation. I'm pushing the button on the remote right now. No rotation. The brightness still works. You can change the light.
You can change colors. Watch. You can change it. Watch the colors.
Wow!